10th standard science unit 2 optics இந்த லெசனோட புக் பேக் ஆன்சர்ஸ் பார்ப்போம். Roman letter 1, choose the correct answer. First one, the refractive index of four substances A, B, C and D are 1.31, 1.43, 1.33, 2.4 respectively. The speed of light is maximum in answer option A. Second one, where should an object be placed so that the real Second one, where should an object be placed so that a real and inverted image of same size is obtained by a convex lens? Answer option B 2F. Third one, a small bulb is placed at the principal focus of a convex lens. When the bulb is switched on, the lens will produce option C answer a parallel beam of light. Fourth one, magnification of a convex lens is answer option C either positive or negative. Fifth one, a convex lens forms a real diminished point size image at focus. Then the position of the object is at answer option B infinity. Sixth one, power of a lens is minus 4D, then its focal length is answer option C minus 0.25 m. Seventh one, in a myopic eye, the image of the object is formed answer option C in front of the retina. Eighth one, the eye defect presbyopia can be corrected by answer option D bifocal lenses. Ninth one, which of the following lens would you prefer to use while reading small letters found in a dictionary? Answer option A convex lens of focal length 5 cm. 10th one, if VB, VG, VR be the velocity of blue, green and red light respectively in a glass prism, then which of the following statement gives the correct relation? Answer option C VB greater VG greater VR. Roman letter 2, fill in the blanks. First one, the path of the light is called as ray. Answer ray. Second one, the refractive index of a transparent medium is always greater than dash. Answer 1. Third one, if the energy of incident beam and the scattered beam are same, then the scattering of light is called as dash scattering, elastic scattering. Fourth one, according to Rayleigh scattering law, the amount of scattering of light is inversely proportional to the fourth power of its dash wavelength. Answer wavelength. Fifth one, amount of light entering into the eye is controlled by iris. Roman letter 3, true or false? If false, correct it. First one, velocity of light is greater in denser medium than in rarer medium. The statement is false. The correct statement is velocity of light is lesser in denser medium than in rarer medium. Second one, the power of lens depends on the focal length of the lens. The statement is true. Third one, increase in the converging power of eye lens cause hypermetropia. The statement is true. Fourth one, the convex lens always gives small virtual image. The statement is false. Concave lens always gives small virtual image. Fourth Roman letter, match the following. Answer, first one retina, the answer அதுக்கு நேரா எழுதியிருக்கு. Screen of the eye. Second one pupil, pathway of light. Third one ciliary muscles, power of accommodation. Fourth one myopia, far point comes closer. Then fifth one hypermetropia, near point moves away. Fifth Roman letter, assertion and reasoning type. Mark the correct choices. Option A, if both assertion and reason are true and the reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Then option B, if both assertion and reason are true but reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. Then option C, assertion is true but reason is false. Then option D, assertion is false but reason is true. First one, assertion. If the refractive index of the medium is high, denser medium, the velocity of the light in that medium will be small. Reason, refractive index of the medium is inversely proportional to the velocity of the light. Answer option A. If both the assertion and reason are true and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Second one, assertion. Myopia is due to the increase in the converging power of eye lens. Reason, myopia can be corrected with the help of concave lens. Option B answer, if both assertion and reason are true but reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. Sixth Roman letter, answer briefly. First one, what is refractive index? The ratio of speed of light in vacuum to the speed of light in a medium is defined as refractive index U of that medium. Second question, state Snell's law. Answer, the ratio of the sine of the angle of incidence and sine of the angle of refraction is equal to the ratio of refractive indices of the two media. Sin I bar sin R is equal to U2 by U1. Third question, draw a ray diagram to show the image formed by a convex lens when the object is placed between F and 2F. In the diagram draw பண்ணிக்கங்க. Fourth question, define dispersion of light. When a beam of white light or composite light is refracted through any transparent media such as glass or water, it is split into its component colors. This phenomenon is called as dispersion of light. Fifth one, state Rayleigh's law of scattering. The amount of Rayleigh scattering is inversely proportional to the fourth power of wavelength. This is called as Rayleigh scattering law. The amount of scattering A. Sixth one, differentiate convex lens and concave lens. First, convex lens. First point, a convex lens is thicker in the middle than at edges. Second one, it is converging. Third one, it produces mostly real images. Fourth one, it is used to treat hypermetropia. Concave lens. First one, a concave lens is thinner in the middle than at edges. Second point, it is diverging. Third one, it produces a virtual image. Fourth one, it is used to treat myopia. Seventh question, what is power of accommodation of eye? The ability of the eye to focus nearby as well as the distant objects on the retina of our eye is called power of accommodation of the eye. Eighth question, what are the causes of myopia? First point, myopia, also known as short-sightedness, occur due to the lengthening of eyeball. And second point, nearby objects can be seen clearly but distant objects cannot be seen clearly. Third point, the focal length of the eye lens is reduced or the distance between eye lens and retina increases. And fourth point, due to this, the image of distant objects are formed before the retina. Ninth question, why does the sky appear in blue color? Answer, when sunlight passes through the atmosphere, the blue color, shorter wavelength, is scattered to a greater extent than the red color, longer wavelength. This is scattering causes the sky to appear in blue color. 10th question, why are traffic signals red in color? Red has the longest wavelength, so it is mostly scattered by atmospheric particles. As a result, whether it is fog or smoke, red light passes comparatively easily through them. Seventh Roman letter, give the answer in detail. First one, list any 5 properties of light. Answer, first point, light is a form of energy. Second point, light always travels along a straight line. Third point, light does not need any medium for its propagation. It can even travel through vacuum. Fourth point, the speed of light in vacuum or air is equal to 3 into 10 to the power of 8 ms minus 1. Fifth point, a different colored light has different wavelength and frequency. Sixth point, when light is incident on the interface between two media, it is partly reflected and partly refracted. Then second question, explain the rules for obtaining images formed by a convex lens with the help of ray diagram. When an object is placed in front of a lens, the light rays from the object fall on the lens. Rule 1. When a ray strikes convex lens obliquely at its pole or optical center, it continues to follow its path without any deviation. The diagram வரைஞ்சிக்கோங்க. The rays passing through the optical center. Then rule 2. When rays parallel to the principal axis strikes a convex lens, the refracted rays are converged to convex lens, the principal focus. இதையும் வரைஞ்சிக்கோங்க. The rays passing parallel to the optic axis. Then rule 3, when a ray passing through convex lens, the principal focus strikes a convex, the refracted ray will be parallel to the principal axis. இந்த diagram வரைஞ்சிக்கோங்க. Rays passing through or directed towards the principal of focus. Third question, differentiate the eye defects myopia and hypermetropia. Answer, first point, myopia, then hypermetropia. Myopia, also known as short-sightedness, occurs due to the lengthening of eyeball. Then hypermetropia. Hypermetropia, also known as long-sightedness, occurs due to the shortening of eyeball. In this one, second point, nearby objects can be seen clearly, but distant objects cannot be seen clearly. In this side, distant objects can be seen clearly, but nearby objects cannot be seen clearly. Third point, the focal length of the eye lens is reduced or the distance between eye lens and retina increases. Then this side, the focal length of eye lens is increased or the distance between eye lens and retina decreases. Fourth point, due to this, the image of distant objects are formed before the retina. On this side, due to this, the image of nearby objects are formed behind the retina. Fifth point, this defect can be corrected using a concave lens. For this side, this defect can be corrected using a convex lens. Fourth question, explain the construction and working of a compound microscope. First point, compound microscope is used to see the tiny objects. Second point, a compound microscope consists of two convex lenses. The lens with a shorter focal length is placed near the object and is called as objective lens or objective piece. Third point, the lens with larger focal length and larger aperture placed near the observer's eye is called as eye lens or eyepiece. Both the lenses are fixed in a narrow tube with adjustable provision. இதோட working இந்த diagram draw பண்ணிக்கங்க. The image formation is in compound microscope. Fourth point, the object AB is placed at a distance slightly greater than the focal length of objective lens U greater FO. A real inverted and magnified image AB is formed at the other side of the objective lens. The image behaves as the object for eye lens. Fifth point, The position of the eye lens is adjusted in such a way that the image AB falls within the principal focuses of eyepiece. This eyepiece forms a virtual enlarged and erect image AB on the same side of object. 8th Roman letter, numerical problems. First one, an object is placed at a distance 20 cm from a convex lens of focal length 10 cm. Find the image distance and nature of the image. Object distance u is equal to minus 20 cm. Focal length of convex lens f is equal to 10 cm. To find image distance v is equal to what and the nature of the image is equal to what? Solution. If the object is placed on the left side of the lens, then f is equal to 10 cm is to u is equal to minus 20 cm. 1 by f is equal to 1 by v by minus 1 by u. 1 by v is equal to 1 by f plus 1 by u. 1 by v is equal to 1 by 10 plus 1 by minus 20. 1 by v is equal to 1 by 10 minus 1 by 20 is equal to 1 by 20. Distance of the image v is equal to 20 cm. Enlarged and inverted image at a distance of 20 cm on the right side of the lens. M is equal to v by u equal to 20 bar minus 20 is equal to minus 1. Minus VE sign indicates the inverted image. Nature of the image. Second one, an object of height 3 cm is placed at 10 cm from a concave lens of focal length 15 cm. Find the size of the image. Object distance u is equal to minus 10 cm. Object is placed on the left side. The focal length f is equal to minus 15 cm concave lens. To find image distance v is equal to what? The height of an object h is equal to 3 cm. Solution. 1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. Then 1 by v is equal to 1 by f plus 1 by u. Then is equal to 1 by minus 15 plus 1 by minus 10. Minus 10 minus 15 by 150 is equal to minus 25 by 150. The v is equal to 150 by 25 is equal to minus 6 cm. Magnification m is equal to distance of the image bar distance of the object. M is equal to v by u. M is equal to 6 bar, 10 is equal to 0.6. M is equal to height of the image bar height of the object is equal to h1 bar h. h1 is equal to m into h is equal to 0.6 into 3. Size of the image h1 is equal to 1.8 cm. 9th Roman letter, higher order thinking questions. First one, while doing an experiment for the determination of focal length of a convex lens, Raja suddenly dropped the lens. It got broken into two halves along the axis. If he continues his experiment with the same lens A, can he get the image? Then option B, if there any change in the focal length. Option A, yes, he can get the image of same size. Then option B, no, there is no change in the focal length of the convex lens. Even if it is broken into two halves, only the intensity of the image obtained will be less. Second one, the eyes of the nocturnal bird like owl are having a large cornea and a large pupil. How does it help them? Increase in their field of vision and an increased retinal surface help them to collect more ambient light during night. இந்த கான்செப்ட் மேப்பை வந்து ட்ரா பண்ணி எழுதிக்கோங்க.